Okay, hopefully you gathered that you share approximately 25% genetic identity with any given grandparent. I mean, think about it. Half of your chromosomes come from mom and half come from dad. So you're 50% a parent. And your parent is 50% their parents. And because they're able to mix and match their parents' genetic code so that they pass on to you, any given chromosome should be a roughly equal mix of their parents. You're going to be half what your parents are. Half of half, or 50% of 50%, is 25% in this case. And recombination is the main reason this is true.